Welcome to Crooked River State Park. Located just a few miles off 95 in southeastern Georgia, this park is the perfect spot for enjoying the intercoastal waterway and maritime forest. Campsites are surrounded by palmetto and Spanish moss-draped oaks, while cottages are set near the tidal river. There's also a really great nature center here that houses a whole bunch of animals you can go and check out that are native to coastal Georgia. So what does Crooked River State Park have to offer? This park is laid out on over 500 acres. They've got a bait and tackle shop, 11 cottages, 63 tent, trailer, and RV campsites, 1 pioneer campground, 4 picnic shelters, and 2 group shelters which seat 80 to 135 people. There's a boat ramp and dock, the nature center, a playground, and Wi-Fi is available in the park office. This park has 4 miles of nature trails, plenty of roads for biking, guided kayak tours, bike rentals, and even mini golf. Now, whether you're camping or you're just visiting, there is a $5 parking pass you are going to need at the front office. The office hours are Sunday through Thursday, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m., and Friday and Saturday, 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. The park hours year-round, though, are 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. There's plenty of nearby attractions as well that you can check out with this campground. Nearby, you're going to find Jekyll Island, Fernandina Beach. There's other Florida state parks you can check out, Golden Isles of Georgia. There's also a submarine museum, which I'd really love to check out. The campground is pet friendly. There's plenty of people out here with dogs. We've got 4 dogs with us here, and so far it's been great. But it is dog friendly. They do have to stay leashed at all times. They can't be unattended outside of your camper. And after 10 o'clock at night, they do have to be quiet and inside the camper, of course, aside from when you're walking them. Most of these sites offer full hookup. Some of them are only partial hookup. They're all gonna have power, 30 or 50 amp, electrical outlets outside, and water. A lot of them do have sewer as well. I saw videos talking about this park that it's kind of a first come, first serve when it comes to the campsites. I was able to make a reservation on the spot that I wanted. I did make it about a month ahead of time, so I don't know if that made a difference or not. Whoever planned out the setup of this park did a really good job. All the spots are pretty well spaced out. It doesn't feel like you're right on top of your neighbors. There's not a lot of trees in between all the spots, so it's not very private. There are some spots that are more private than others, but overall the park is really well maintained. The roads are clear, they're all paved. Most of the spots as well are going to have a nice compacted layer of rock down. Everything's going to be really easy going when it comes to setup and leveling them out. There's really not a single site that I can see that isn't perfectly level. Now, as you can see behind me, these are going to be your cottages and a couple of your pavilions that are available for use here. Right in the same area, there's also an observation tower where you can check out wildlife and that type of thing. It's very kid-friendly, and also if you're into bird watching or anything like that. Is it called bird watching? Bird spotting? Bird watching? Birding? It's like a bird watching competition. These pavilions are located in a big open area. There's a beautiful little park over here. There's also the covered pavilions. There's a bird watching tower over there, a wildlife observation, what is it? Wildlife, is there bird blinds? There's a wildlife observation tower. There's multiple bird blinds set up as well for bird watching. This is the bird watching. What is this called, the bird blind? This is the bird blind. You've got the playground right here, which is really nice. This campsite does have a pretty awesome park also for kids and adults, it turns out. Now, golf carts are allowed here. However, you do have to stay on the trails that are designated for them. They are not allowed on the main roads, but you are welcome to bring your golf cart. They do make it pretty accessible and pretty easy for you. All right, guys, thanks for checking out the video. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Let us know if there's any other parks or campgrounds you'd like for us to check out or that we should check out. Overall, here at Crooked River State Park, this place is awesome. It's very beautiful, very easy going, and I highly recommend it if you're in the St. Mary's area or passing through. Stop in, spend half a day here, spend the night. Either way, it's very, very beautiful, very peaceful. The views are awesome, and we had a lot of fun, and thanks again for sticking around. See you next time.